The United States has a rich history of welcoming immigrants, making the U.S. a nation of immigrants. Although centuries have passed, immigration has never ended as immigrants are still coming, and have never stopped coming. The mid-1990s brought a new policy to the U.S.-Mexico border that shifted its enforcement to prevention through deterrence. This policy makes it harder for migrants to cross the border in urban areas, channeling them into remote regions described as hostile terrain, which include the extreme environment of the Sonoran Desert in Arizona. Hostile Terrain 94 launches a conversation on how government policies impact the lives of immigrants in Nebraska, the U.S. borderlands, and throughout the world. The exhibit showcases 3,200 handwritten toe tags, one for each immigrant who died trying to cross the Sonoran Desert between the mid-90s and 2019. Each toe tag details the remains found, where they were located geographically, and the cause of death. The tags include the names of these migrants, but unfortunately, many are still unidentified. As the world globalizes, some borders remain closed while others were opened. Migration and displacement are global issues that will continue for the foreseeable future. The Hostile Terrain exhibition invites you to stand witness to the migration crisis beyond its process of policy and economics. We invite you to memorialize the undocumented stories of individual human beings at the U.S.-Mexico border.